Hey guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to teach you the 6-pocket wallet as promised. I got a few comments on it, so yeah. I taught this a few years ago on my old channel with 17,000 views, so I want to try to teach you this the best way I can. First, you're going to need a sheet of printer paper, A4 letter sized, and what you're going to do is you're going to need a card. It don't matter, any, like a library card, for example. It don't matter, just any card. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the paper. Now you can fold it back. We're going to fold it long ways. Long ways. See, we're going to fold it long ways. We're going to fold it long ways. And then we're going to fold this point to the middle. Crease. Rotate 180 degrees. Fold. Right to the middle crease. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take one corner and we're going to fold, like, say, half an inch. So it should be about right here. See, zoom in. So it'll be about right there. Half an inch. Like that. Just estimate. Just know. Real judgment. Just don't go too far up. Just about an inch. Like that. It should look like this. Then we're going to fold these two corners to the middle. Like this. Repeat on the other side. See? Fold this corner to this edge. And then we're going to rotate the paper. Repeat. So we're going to fold up about an inch. Just estimate, just as long as you don't go too far up again. And then we're going to fold this corner to this edge right here. And then repeat this corner to this edge. Just align it to the edge. Then we're going to fold these down as so. See? Fold them down. Rotate. Fold. Then we're going to rotate and pull it straight up. Not like this. Just straight up. Just straight up. Take one of your cards and we'll put it right in the middle. About right there. Then we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold up against the card. Just fold up against the card. And then crease all the way through. Rotate. Just try to keep your card still. Repeat the process. Just make sure these corners are aligned. Make sure they are aligned. So just make sure they are aligned. How that? I gotta get out of some of that. So yeah, just make sure they're aligned. Then fold, and you can see that this crease aligns with the middle crease. Just fold, and there you go. Take the card out. Fold everything back down gently as possible. And what we're going to do is we're going to tuck these pockets into this slot right here. So I'll show you that again. So let's see here. So you're going to take this, fold this first flap down, second, and just immediately tuck this flap into this one, this flap into this one. And there you go. See? There's the 6-pocket wallet. And like I said, you can put one into the first pocket. What was that? Then you can put one into your... Okay, so here's the first one. As you can see here, just slide your ID in like that. See? Slide your ID in, see? There's a pocket right here, see? So 1, 2, 3, 4, see? 2, 4, oh, and right here. 5, 6. Yeah, 6 pockets. So, yeah. Pretty cool. This is my 6 pocket wallet. And then again, thank you for watching. Please leave a like. Comment down below what do you think about this. I know it's been a while since I taught it, but I thought I'll redo it. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a good day.